हो गया. क्या कर रहे हो?
Hello everyone. Welcome to Pehchan by Shweta. Let us start with our today's article. Hello Saloni ma'am. Hello Mona ma'am. Hello Sudhi ma'am. Hello Gayatri ma'am. Hello Kriti. Hello Kavya. So let us start with our today's article. This is the article which we are doing today. For this article, we will be needing an acrylic kit, extra color, teal blue if you want. This is completely optional. Then we will be needing a canvas. Yes, Kavya, I also know that you are very excited. Hello Nisha ma'am. This is the article which we are going to do. Am I audible and visible? Everything is audible? The workstation is visible? I think now it is visible. Let us start with the article. Puja ma'am, it is completely okay. I have to trace it now because I had many requests how do I make this kind of a frame. For this kind of a frame, what I have done is I have cut this from my fine arts canvas roll. Then the next thing what I have done is I have just stick it like this, and this is the masking tape. From the masking tape, I have pasted it like this. So instead of canvas, I generally use canvas sheet because being a teacher it is very difficult for us to keep the canvases. So this is the way I stick it. And once I'm finished with my article, then what I'll do, I'll remove this masking tape. This was the first step. 2-3 people asked me this, so I thought to share it. Then this is the tracing which I have shared in the group. If you want, I will share in the Facebook group also. This is the tracing what I have asked you guys to make. Trace beforehand, so that if you want, you can do it with me. I have traced it with a yellow carbon paper if it is visible. Today I have not traced it with a black carbon paper. It is visible to me. So let us start with our article. In the starting, we will be needing the cerulean blue color which is available in the kit. Just wait a minute guys, my cerulean blue is not here, I'll just get it. So sorry guys. What are you asking? Kavya, tell me how to draw on the dress drops in the drawing. Kavya, I will draw. वो मैंने अभी draw नहीं करा है. I'll draw it. तब आप देखना. In the beginning, what we will be needing is the ultramarine blue color. Then we will be needing white. And then we will be needing a tinge of black. These are the three colors which we will be needing in the starting. I have traced it with yellow carbon paper. That is why you are not able to see. But when I will start, you will be able to see what I am doing. I am just taking out my brushes. Take a broad brush. Dip it in water. Dip it in water and clean it. And then do like this. This way the life of the brush is increased. I am taking some white in the palette. Opening the ultramarine blue and black. I have taken white color, ultramarine blue color and black color. मैंने तीन colors open करे हैं अभी. What I am doing, I am dipping the brush in the white color, the flat brush, and I am starting from the middle of the sky part. And then what I am doing, I am moving upwards. Sorry for the interruption. I have applied white. Sorry for the interruption. क्लास के वक्त एक्चुअली कॉल आ जाता है. अब यहाँ से from the above portion we will start. हल्का सा I am dipping it in water to create the dark effect. Make sure कि आपका जो नीचे का white है वो भी dry नहीं हुआ है. थोड़ा सा और डार्क. अब जो हमारी गर्ल का फेस है उसका फेस को कवर करते हुए do it in straight strokes. I'm just creating the outer boundary. यहाँ पर भी थोड़ा सा पोर्शन विजिबल है. Rest is our arm. Again I'm dipping it in blue, dark blue. और यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा और डार्क इफेक्ट दे रही हूँ. And just don't forget to merge this color. Our stroke should not be visible at all. Just merge these colors. Again I'm taking white. Dark tone, then light tone, then again dark tone. और जो नीचे वाला है उसके अंदर हम जरा सा एक this much I have taken and जरा सा मैं black tone भी दे रही हूँ with blue. I am giving a black tone. If you see this painting carefully, it is as if that the girl is wearing a peacock dress. Everything is merged. Now wash your brush. We'll move towards the second color. Now I am taking light green, which is there in a sunflower kit. This is light green number 12. And side by side I am taking sap green number 21. Good evening, Dipti ma'am. Now again I am taking some white out. Hello Anu ma'am. This picture is as if the girl is watching the sky. It is the back portion and as if her gown is flying like a peacock. We'll take sap green in our brush and we'll start from here. And we'll spread. The color is coming on the masking tape, that is no issue, we'll remove it. So we'll get a clean image. Then with the same color I'm dipping in light green and I'm merging in green, in the sap green color. The same brush I'm dipping in white. Am I not audible? Can someone please give me a thumbs up? Am I not audible clearly? दीप्ति मैम आई एम ऑडिबल मे बी हो सकता है आपका इसका वॉल्यूम कम हो मोबाइल का ना प्लीज उसको चेक करिए एक बारी अभी ठीक है मैम मोना मैम इट इज ओके ना ये क्रिएटिंग दिस वी जो उसके गाउन का है और यहाँ से इसको मर्ज कर देंगे I am creating different tones of sap green, light green and white in the background of the gown. This is as if we are creating the base for the peacock feathers. This we have done. Now what we'll do? We clean our brush and we start blending the colors. Because strokes should not be visible. Blending is very important. Whenever you find that the color is being extra in your brush, you can just simply clean the brush again, then start doing the blending again. This way we have completed our blending. Now I am taking little light green in the brush. Pooja ma'am, which color? This is light green, number 12, which is available in the sunflower kit. Then this is sap green, number 21. This is also available in our sunflower kit, and I have used white. These are the three colors which I have used in her gown. Now what I am doing is I am giving a light green touch above the sap green to create the reflection effect. And I am merging my stroke. Ma'am, this number is 3. I am doing on an 8 by 10 canvas. So I am using brush number 3. If you are doing on a big canvas, you can use this number also. This is brush number 5. You can use the brush according to your canvas and your needs. This is our Judah. So I'm taking a small brush now. The flesh tint color is available. The Fevicryl flesh tint color is available, but many students does not have it. So I am not taking that color. I am doing it with white and brown color. You can take yellow also, but I am preferring white and brown. What I am doing, I am taking a bit of color here. Taking a bit of brown in my color. This is burnt sienna, and I am mixing it to get the desired color. This is what I will be needing. And starting from here, this is light. I'm taking brown again. मैं थोड़ा सा कलर डार्क कर रही हूँ बिकॉज थोड़ा सा लाइट लग रहा है वो कलर. जितना भी हमारा स्किन कलर है, आई एम फिलिंग दैट. I hope you are liking the article, guys. The back color is has still not dried. उसमें हल्का सा ग्रीन इफेक्ट आ गया है. सेंटर में I'm taking a little white और मैं white को उसमें merge कर रही हूँ. जितना भी मैंने स्किन कलर क्रिएट किया है, I'm merging the white in it. ये स्किन कलर में इसके आर्म्स में I'm filling it. Dipti ma'am, I'm really sorry. I don't know why you're not able to understand. I'm really sorry. I really don't know how are you not able to listen to me when everyone is able to listen. Is anyone else also facing the same problem? They are not able to hear me. I don't know why you're facing this problem. Now what I'm doing, this is an important step. I'm taking a tinge of color in the brush and what I'm doing, मैं यहाँ पे हल्का सा color लगा दूँ. Same way I'm taking a bit of color here also. Ma'am, Dipti ma'am, I think it is in your at your end only. And now I'm merging this color. This will give the reflection sort of effect in our article. सेम में हल्का सा लाइन यहाँ होगी जो हमारी बैकबोन की लाइन होती है और हल्की सी मैं यही लाइन यहाँ पे. And I'll merge this line. जितना भी आपने डार्क ब्राउन दिया है, you need to merge that. कोई भी सिंगल स्ट्रोक आपका विजिबल नहीं होना चाहिए. Pooja ma'am, submission is required within 2 days. I generally give 2 to 3 days for the submission. यहाँ से इसका हल्का सा V में कलर हो गया. I'm reconnecting it. This is the bun part. Washing of the brush. Thank you, Nikita. Now what we'll be needing is lemon yellow, then tea blue, which is completely optional. Then we'll be needing orange, red, Devi ma'am, mixing for skin tone is I have used white color and burnt sienna color. If it is 5 portions of white color, then take 1 portion of burnt sienna color, you will get the desired result. Now we will start with the gown. Kavya, are you still there? I am opening my orange and red. Kavya, are you there? I was teaching the circles which you were asking before the class. I've taken red color, I've loaded red color in my brush. I've shared the image on the group. You can trace it from there. मैं इसको directly कर रही हूँ. I'm creating a big circle over here. Filling this circle. ओके काव्या, आप देखो आप कहाँ पे सर्कल्स बना रही हैं. I'm creating 3 circles. Here. I'm washing off my brush. Now I'm taking some orange. If you want, you can change the color tone. It is absolutely fine. I am creating the peacock effect. That is why I am using the peacock colors. If you want to go with another theme, it is completely fine. Somewhere I am giving big circles and somewhere I am giving small circles. Now I have given a combination of light green, sap green and white. It is not a single color. We have given a combination of colors. I am creating these circles where I want to create these. Now here I want to create this leaf. I am just drawing a rough leaf here. rough here wherever I want to create the leaf effect. Now in the same brush I am taking white color, and what I am doing, I am giving the above strokes over here. If you have remember, I have done these strokes in the coasters also, which I taught you. The rose effect strokes. I am doing it with white color and creating these kind of roses. Do you remember that we have done these kind of strokes? That is why I taught you flowers and all, because in the advanced level we need those kind of strokes. I hope you are able to understand these kind of strokes. We have done it earlier also. I am dipping my color in white only, and I am creating this effect with white, just white color. I am just dipping the tip of the brush, not the whole brush. On the small brushes or small circles also. These kind of paintings are generally done step by step. Like first we need to create the sky, then we have created the background of her dress. Tomorrow we will be having the decoupage class. And for the decoupage class, I will be sharing out the printouts. If you want, you can use your family pick or your single pick also, but I will be using Bunny Honey prints. So I will be sharing that in the group itself. Now with the teal blue color, I'm making swirls in a bun. It is still wet. We have to create swirls to show the effect of the bun. That's it. Pooja ma'am, that is also the blue color is the cerulean blue and white. Now we need to create the leaves. For the leaf I am taking salmon pink color. And what we have to do is we have to create the stroke effect. We will start from here. You can give a line like this. Start from here and just give the stroke. You can take it with a small brush. This is a big brush. This is the 0 number brush. What I have taken. Just give strokes like this. This is a very beautiful painting, so please guys don't do it in a hurry. Always concentrate concentrate and then do. You're creating the strokes to give the feather effect of the peacock. These are dry strokes. I'm not taking the color again and again. Now I'll be taking the ultramarine blue color again. And I'm creating the lines. I'm creating the lines to join this. Put little small strokes to connect these lines. Don't give big strokes, just connecting strokes we need. Guys, I hope you are liking the article. No comments. We have to give the joining strokes. Thank you, Saloni ma'am. Wherever you want, you can create these lines. Now we'll be taking lemon yellow color. Guys, your comments are very valuable for me. It actually motivates me to do more. But I really don't know why you guys do not respond so much. Thank you, Duti. Now I have taught you how to create the leaves. One way is pressing the brush and just removing it. And one is the C shape. These two ways I have taught. Is it visible? मैं इसको बताती हूँ आपको. You can do this like this also, that you can just press it and remove it. So you will get a leaf shape. I think it is not visible. Press it and remove it. You will get the shape of the leaf. Or either what you can do is do a C shape. Create a C and again create a C and then fill it. You will get the shape of the leaf. In two ways, either of the ways you can do it. Or what I have to do is, I have to create the leaves I'm using the pressing method, and now I'm moving a bit fast because अभी article में काम बचा हुआ है and we are short of time. Wherever I have given blue line, I am creating the leaves effect. Wherever you think that there is no space, what you can do is you can give the dotting effect. You can create the dots over here. You think the space is not there, you can create dots. And where the space is there, you can create big leaves, small leaves according to the space available to you. I'm moving a bit fast so that I'll be able to complete the article. Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Guys, please make the submissions, because if you will not make the submissions, then I need to cancel my future classes. With blue color, I am giving the strokes again to the leaf. And then with white again. I have given 3 shades. First I have given sandal pink, then I have given blue, and then again I am given white. I am giving some dotting effect with white in between where I am finding spaces. We ultimately have to fill the complete gown so that no spaces are left. I am taking some sap green and light green. Again, and what I am doing is I am giving the leaf effect थोड़ा सा बाहर भी, as if it is falling. Merging the color Washing my brush. Now we have to create the sky effect. For the sky effect, I am taking tea blue, the cerulean blue and white. 3 colors I am taking. I am starting off with teal blue color. I am loading the brush in teal blue and starting from middle of her head. I am giving the strokes. You have to use the color which is visible. Like teal blue is clearly visible on this canvas. If you want आप उसको यहाँ तक भी extend कर सकते हो, but मैंने इसको थोड़ा यहीं तक ही किया है. The second color I am taking is white. I already have white. I'm just creating the strokes. In between, if you want, you can give strokes of white also, strokes from black also. I'm just putting my brush and I'm dragging. See, I'm putting my brush. I'm putting my brush and I'm just dragging. Now in the same brush, I'm taking this ultramarine blue. I need to wash it because the color is fading. If you want, you can use black also. It will also look good. Wherever you want, you just can give the strokes. You're done. Let me check if I've left with anything. Now I will remove this masking tape. Don't keep your brush long in water. And please close your caps when not in use, because these colors dry when in contact with air. Thank you Gayatri ma'am. Pooja ma'am, I'm not able to understand. Ma'am, retrader का क्या use होता है? What is retrader? I'm sorry. Thank you, Mona ma'am. I've seen you after such a long time, Mona ma'am. So this is the article which we have done today. Thank you, Pankudi ma'am. Pooja ma'am, I'm still not able to understand what did you said. If you want, you can ask me on personal also. Thank you, Lavita ma'am. This is the article which we have done. Thank you, Asha. And this was the article which was on the flyer. जैसे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ब्लू का डॉट आ गया था, तो I'll correct it. And this is the article which we have done today. Ma'am, we don't use any medium because Fairytale Colors does not require any medium. Their consistency is so good. It does not require any kind of medium. If anyone tells that Fairytale Color requires medium, that is wrong. Because their consistency is actually perfect. We don't need any kind of medium. Guys, please submit within 2 to 3 days. We'll be meeting tomorrow with the next article of decoupage. You can choose any of your family pick or the pics which I'll share in the group. It is up to you. Thank you for giving me your time. Meet you tomorrow at the same link. Thank you.